oven's starting to get hot, can it?
We should have
bakery, so
come on. We should have done the soap till the bird into potassium nitrate and tried them out.
Technicians.
Sorry.
Come on, girl.
Yeah.
Smart to give it a
Obviously had the building regs and a fire retardant on it.
It's gonna be fine. It's gonna be fine. Any minute
Someone
now.
chuck some petrol in it.
Feel it. Any minute now.
Quite spirit.
Over there.
It's smoking.
Fireworks!
There we go.
Houses!
Waiting expectantly.
It's gonna be fine. It's gonna be fine.
It took a while to catch last time, didn't it?
Last time?
When we did the demo.
One when we set fire to the rug.
Ah.
Okay.
No.
Almost.
And cows.
It's been a minute.
Look.
Yeah.
Oh my goodness, yeah.
Come on. Has it gone out? No, it hasn't, because it's still
alive, isn't it? If you move.
But you never know.
You what? I'm a bit scared to just...
1 minute and 27 seconds. 1.5 minutes.
Come on! Burn! Burn!
Time break as well.
Yeah, okay. Oh, I got it.
You've got it.
Oh, I got it.
I gave you.
It's definitely burning. No, because I've got...
I gave it to you because I've got
Oh,
mine.
no, yeah, you're right. Alright, okay, I'm going in.
If it's hot, leave it.
High, that's all. That's what you need. Put it next to the match.
Hold it.
Right.
Oh, forget it. It's not accurate.
Yeah, what's that woman who does that program on television? It's the same players every
Tell, get out of the way. 2.5 minutes.
I knew this was going to happen.
You bastard.
Had you been in charge of the forges that night?
It's like smoke.
Whoa, hang on.
There you go.
Do we need the fire brigade?
There you go, let's go to the next house.
Yeah, catch you in the next house.
Actually, there's quite a bit of water coming off it.
It's not really well. It's really
Working, isn't it? Brilliant. Oh, we go away, win. I suppose he's going to catch.
Oh no, the horse is going
We're all left 10. But old Christopher Wren's rubbing his hands.
Oh no, St Paul's isn't going to catch.
No, you don't want to.
No, we don't. We do want St Paul's to burn.
It's got to survive, isn't it? It has to survive.
No, it's got burned.
It's got to burn.
Protesters out there.
Yeah.
Bit of petrol.
Yeah.
Tents are going up.
Yeah.
Has it burned yet?
Looks like the castle's going to survive.
The bridge is surviving.
Oh
It won't in a minute.
It's smouldering, there's some flames going up at the base.
You can just dip it in the wax.
There we go, there we go. I'll get it in a minute.
Yeah. The bridge
And the
is going.
tower is surviving.
So far.
There goes the bridge. Go on, some balls. Watch this. Oh no, the flames have gone out.
no. Look, it's gone out over there.
It's not going to catch this side, Kel.
might
A
work its way around.
Tower's going.
Making it go down.
Bridge.
It burned down.
Let's see what else you can do.
It did it. It burned out.
There's a gap, it's not going to burn over that side.
Just dip it in the wax.
It's going to burn out around here, Kel.
Kel, why don't you just set fire to one of the houses?
Oh, renovations.
Something like that.
Terrorist. It's good fight, it's good fight.
It did it.
It's not historically accurate. Start again.
Find the house. Find the house. Emily. Fire!
Once they get going, they've got my
Yeah,
Yeah, bridge is burning. All those shops are gone.
The house got down.
Now it's very difficult to get over to the whorehouses in Southwark now.
You know about that, Mike.
It was all owned by the Bishop of Winchester, wasn't it? Hey?
Jesus, it's getting hot over here.
Southwark.
You're blowing hot.
That's so unfortunate.
Oh, it's getting quite hot down here. Bloody St Paul's didn't burn.
Nadia Smithfield.
No, but Smithville wasn't supposed to burn.
Oh.
Neither was the tower. Church was though.
I told you we should have put more matches inside the church.
Very solid church.
There's the next one.
How's the scale?
It's fish fingers.
Yeah, I was thinking that.
Yeah, look.
Shrink a bath and a bit of ketchup.
That's it burnt in the correct order.
I tell you, that worked out pretty well.
House.
Very clever.
Some houses around here that haven't burned, and they're starting.
Yeah, but that's why it did burn, because all the houses were like that.
Well, made of paper.
Yeah.
The equivalent.
Paper and double-sided sticky tape.
That's my house.
Oh.
That was my house.
Well done, Kel.
That's brilliant. Absolutely brilliant.
Superb. I think it deserves a round of applause.
That paper mache the tower, just like everyone to know. Well done, Dan. Nikki cut them out.
I also cut out all the
Let's
houses.
do that building.
Well,
Very good.
bloody bridge is still burning.
Yeah, well, I think all the wax and the candles actually went on it.
Yeah.
Building.
Do you want to move St Paul's over about 20 yards?
Just dip it in the wax.
I haven't got it.
That's it.
No, it's nearly
Come on,
broke.
St Paul's.
The baby's nearly broke.
Oh, it's taking the windows off.
You didn't use fire retardant glue on this, did you?
That's the station.
Is that a station?
Now it's getting even closer to that. It's a big fire.
Yeah. Only God was smiling. Burn that place down, it'd be good.
Trying to get me.
Trying to get us. It's going even faster. Look, I saw fireworks.
St Paul's is on fire.
Yeah, brilliant.
superb.
That was a big firework.
Still buy fish back.
Yeah.
We'll go in there.
Yeah.
Oh, and he burned that house down. He burned that house down.